Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's had a great weekend. Welcome to another exciting episode of Science TV with Mr. C. I'm your host. Let's get started. So, for today, you can see there are several assignments that were assigned last week. They are now due today. Make sure you get those turned in. I'll be going through them today, checking them over, and giving credit for it. For class, we're going to do a little bit of review. Fossil fuels, talking about the different types, what they're found. We're going to use the workbook for this. A lot of workbook action today. Open it up. Brings us to this link here. Tells us we're going to use the Ecology and Environment Workbook, pages 178 through 184, to answer the following questions. And here it talks about some global climate changes and the consequences of using fossil fuels, especially in the Gulf Coast. And there's some more questions here. How is coal used in our life? Now, the workbook, of course, can be found here. We are on Chapter 5. This deals with fossil fuels. Right there, text. Bring it up, read the pages. The questions you're going to see there are going to follow a lot of the questions you see in the workbook. I think I've brought them over from that. So, I'm going to review this, answer some questions, get to the workbook pages, and then go on to the next assignment. Let's go to two-page view here. And there we go. Once you get done with that, we'll move on to the next assignment. Which is renewable energy. So we're going from the fossil fuels to the renewable energy side of electrical generation. Renewable resources, energy here. I'm going to go to a website that has several different forms here. Go to intro here, visit the Energy Kids, get the scoop on energy sources, and you're going to answer these questions here. I believe I've got all these links working correctly. If you have an issue with one of them, so for instance, it says go to solar energy, geothermal, biomass, wind, water, which is also hydropower. They are all on this first link. At the biomass, geothermal, hydro, solar, wind. So they're all found right here. I believe that they all work. If you follow this, it goes to the solar part. You don't have to search for it. If it doesn't, refer back to the first link, and you should be able to get there from that link. 6 questions there. There is a text link or a text box submission area that you'll be submitting your information from. And finally, when you are done with that, please go to the following. Read Lesson 2, which is page 186 to 183. So if you left your reader open from doing the first assignment, you will get to pages 186 to 193, learning about half the lesson with renewable energy sources. Let's see if we can get this to load a little bit quicker here. And it starts right here. Now also, you may or may not realize, if you go to the Pearson homepage, you first log in, and it brings you to this. You do have some new assignments here. A couple of them are just reading. Some of them are old, like this one's old. And that's semester 1. That's not helpful, is it? Here are the new assignments. These are basically for the entire week. The nuclear power plant will be from Friday. Reading, that's for today. And this is also, I believe, on Friday. These are the 3 assignments you'll be working on this week that are located in Pearson Realize. So that is available to you. You can start it whenever you want. Looks like we still have a few people need to get this done. That'll be going to the grade book today, though. Again, if there's any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to hit me up on the Chatterdoc or send emails. I get to them as quick as I can. And thank you for viewing today. And may the 4th be with you.